The most dangerous thing with AI isn't getting the wrong answers, it's how overly confident it can make smart people feel, especially experienced business owners who already trust their own judgment. Now, AI is incredibly helpful, but often helpful leaks into being agreeable, and agreement feels like validation even when it's not true. So if you put an idea into AI, it will usually help you move it forward. It'll support it, it'll refine it, even make you explain it a little better. And that momentum feels productive. However, that's exactly where the false confidence creeps in. So let me give you a real example. I was watching an interview on TV the other day, and an opportunity jumped out at me. It felt interesting, it felt directly applicable to me and my business, and it felt very valuable. So I did what most people would do, and I ran it through ChatGPT to sanity check it. Now, the AI loved it. It told me the idea was strong, it suggested what I should do next, and even helped me lay out a 12-month plan for the opportunity. It said, Adam, yes, you are onto something here. And you know what? It felt good. That quiet sense of momentum, that little pat on the back that says, Adam, you're a smart operator. But then I stopped myself. I asked it a different question. I said, now, please be devil's advocate. Please be honest with me and let me know all the reasons why this idea will fail. Don't hold anything back. Instantly, it changed its tune. It surfaced all the things that I hadn't weighed up properly. All the weaknesses, all the second order consequences, all the things that would distract me rather than help me. And it was right. In the end, the idea didn't need refining, it needed abandoning. The moment with AI saved me days of wasted energy planning this thing out, and luckily I dodged a bullet. And that's when it really clicked. The risk with AI isn't the bad answers, it's the risk that it gives you unearned confidence. And so by default, AI doesn't judge our ideas. It just keeps them moving in the same direction. So if you don't explicitly ask it to challenge you, it will most likely reinforce whatever it is that you put in front of it. It's not malicious, it's not a flaw, it's just the way the AI tool works. But serious operators understand something important. We don't want a yes man. We want a board of advisors. We want people to challenge us. We expect some resistance. So when someone or something is willing to say, here's where this breaks, here's what you're not seeing, here's why this might fail, that is what we're after as serious business operators. So now when I use AI, I don't ask it to help me build the idea until I have got it to help me stress test my thinking. Because as I have learned, agreement isn't the same as validation. And confidence isn't the same as good judgment. So if AI always agrees with you, it's not helping you think. It's just making you feel more confident faster, and that can obviously derail you. So next time that you're using AI, I want you to notice whether it is challenging your thinking or just agreeing with you.